2022 Honda motorcycle manufacturer provides a new color choice for its adventurous style scooter. The Honda X-ADV 750 is now getting a new color addition, two colors that have existed before, namely Grand Prix Red and Pearl Deep Merd Gray. This is the Honda X-ADV, a dual-purpose scooter that easily attracts anyone. Revolutionary product design is rarely found in other products. Equipped with a large and powerful engine, combined with a double-clutch automatic transmission. Variety of advanced installed technology devices, like a driving mode that is divided into two, Drive and Sport. In the Sport option, it is further divided into three sub-options. Next, HSTC Honda Selectable Torque Control. This facility keeps the rear wheel turning like traction control, but the special can be set up to 3 levels. Uniquely, the sling of the 745cc's DOHC PGM-FI 2-cylinder engine is not mated to a CVT transmission. Even though it bears the title of scooter, it uses a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox DCT. Automatically, gearshift can be shorter and smoother. As a result, playing an output of 54.5 PS and 68 nanometers of torque is even more fun. To support driving in rough terrain, Honda has installed an upside-down suspension measuring 41 mm at the front. At the rear, there is a Pro Link suspension with 10 settings. The X-ADV is powered by a liquid-cooled PGM-FI 745cc's 2-cylinder engine that produces 54 horsepower at 6,250 revolutions per minute and 68 nanometers of torque at 4,750 revolutions per minute. The X-ADV has a seat height of 820 mm. The front tire size is front tire size, while the rear is 160/60ths R15. Chassis, suspension and brake supporting features include telescopic fork front suspension, swing arm rear suspension, side wings, diamond body frame type, steel body frame material, dual step seat type, dual disc front brake, and disc rear brake. Features on the console include digital odometer, digital fuel gauge, display screen, digital speedometer, trip meter, tachometer, and oil change indicator. X-ADV reflecting a new idea. Driving cross-adventure, or cross-adventure, the idea that can be seen in the figure of a scooter-type motor with its various advantages. An engine with a practical automatic transmission, and a tough cruising range. Honda X-ADV colors that we found for the UK market. There are 4: red, silver, white, and matte gray. As far as engine specs are concerned, the largest 2-cylinder unit we've ever seen for a scooter is submerged. Its capacity reaches 750cc's 745cc, with an output of 55 PS and 68 nanometers of torque. The transmission, the most advanced automatic, 6-speed dual clutch complete with manual mode.